Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background noise in CapCut. So I have those videos that I want to remove noise from the video. So this is my video, and as you hear, there are some noise in the background and I want to remove it from my video. If you want to do the same, you can just follow these steps. So click on the video here on the timeline and swipe through the options until you find the this option, reduce noise. So just enable this option and now CapCut will reducing the noise. Click on a check icon and just wait until the process is finished, and after that the noise on your video, the background noise, will be decreasing. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.